kau ajak bicara. Ada siapa yang lagi live ya? Coba ya aku cari-cari. Mbak Imong. Sana bikin aku shock deh. Thank you loh, Say. Ada paus di rumah aku. Ada siapa ya yang cakep-cakep? Guys, tap-tap dulu guys. Tap-tap yang banyak, jangan malu-maluin. Ada siapa ya yang enak dilihat gitu? Cowok. Ada nggak cowok yang enak dilihat yang lagi live? Cek ya. Waktuku cuma 30 menit sebelum mandi. Wah, cacing tanah ini siapa sih? Baiknya. Thank you, arigato. Ucok baba udah kayak enakan dilihat. Jangan dialah. Ayo, sini dulu yo. Bikin TikTok loh, buka akun lo. Oh, sepertinya sama. Tatapan matanya mah. Nih, coba kita lihat siapa yang lagi live yang cakep-cakep. Apaan? Yaudah, pergi aja. Iya. Adek, abang. Oh, ada nih guys yang cakep guys lagi live. Coba kalian ketik ke sini. Tunggu ya. Ada guys, please help lah kalian, bantu-bantu. Hey, wait a little bit. Xavier is working. Thank you for your patient waiting. Lagi working dia. Gambate. Cakep nih yuk. Yuk. Nggak kelihatan mukanya. Belum nih lagi. Kan ada yang bilang nih. Wait a little bit. Coba kita tungguin aja dia. Itu dia. Guys, ini ada yang cakep guys. Bisa kalian bantu ketik Kak. Dicari ini kita gitu. Capcus. Sumpah, nama nama TikToknya Xavier. Nih. Cepat.
Lihat handphone lagi.
Enggak, dia lagi kerja. Lihat. Cepat. Nama TikToknya nih, nama TikToknya. World, ada dunia, bola dunia, Xavier. Siapa tuh dia, mana gue tahu. Kalau nggak tahu, gue nggak akan nanya kalian. Cepet gimana? Dia nggak ada di sini. Carinya gimana sih? Mau invite? Yuk, mau invite gimana yuk? Cara invite dia yuk.
Nama ini berarti Kel.
Namanya
CALLI
CALLI
COTT X 0809.
Ya dia nggak not on live kok, dia berarti nggak bisa di itu ya.
Harus diikutin dulu kayaknya.
Bukan yang ini dia. Oh ini nih.
Ini tuh paling atas.
Enggak ini tapi nggak bisa di invite.
Oh karena lu selalu live kali.
Kok gue live? Justru karena
Nih,
gue live.
dicari nih kita.
Justru karena gue live, dia live.
Whoa.
Gila ya, netizen Indonesia memang benar. Aduh ya Allah, maaf. Kalian cucok bingi. Thank you guys.
Nikita.
Nikita, wait.
Kalian keren.
Nikita.
Bilangin gue mau invite dia, gimana cara?
What's going on with the Nikita? Nikita, I want to join live with you. Who's all this? What?
Nah, langsung di nih
Sumpah si bolelongnya.
yang terbanyak.
Bolelongnya ini loh.
Wait, what's going on? Hey, chill out.
Kaget loh.
Slow down. All right.
Langsung 400 loh penontonnya.
What is this, Nikita? Yes, Nikita. Live with Nikita. Okay.
Oke.
What's going on? 600 viewers. Live with you. What?
Dia juga syok.
Guys, what's going on?
Kok dia cepet banget sih dapat
Nikita, are we talking about?
dapat TikToknya. Padahal gue cuma kasih lihat foto loh. Kalian memang bener-bener ya.
Jami Razani. Where is she from? She's an Indonesian artist. Indonesia. Oh, okay. All right. Indonesia. Okay, all right. Inviting you to live together. Okay.
Guys, dia malu-malu loh.
Where is the invite?
Tuh,
You guys all came from Nikita's.
gimana cara invite dia sih?
Where's her live?
Suruh buka invite apa ya?
Profilnya.
Suruh buka invite-nya biar bisa di-invite sama gue bilang.
Live with Nikita. Okay. Wait. Slow down, Nikita fans. Okay, I get it. You guys are. I understand who she is. Is she the one from Indonesia? She's an actress? Actor? Okay, everybody, slow down. No more chat. Okay? I'll ask one question.
Lucu ya mukanya.
You guys are all Nikita's fans.
Kayak cute.
Amerika Korea dia.
Okay, all right.
Kayak cute gitu.
She's beautiful, very famous. Okay, get it. Got it. I get it. Yes, she came yesterday to my live, and
Iya.
live with her. I will. I would love to, but I don't think she's online right now. How did you guys know me though, Risa? But how did you find out about me?
Bilangin dia, gue pakai gue pakai TikTok yang kedua gitu.
With her what?
Nikita Huruhara.
She's online. Follow her, bro. Do not lie with her. What's going on here?
Cus kasih tahu dia IG yang TikTok gue yang buat live yang ini.
Calm down. And chat. We need to
Ketawa
calm
itu.
down. Nikita. I appreciate you coming to visit watch my live,
Seru ya.
but in order to communicate for us, we need to slow down.
Buka itunya apa sih? Apa gue nggak ngerti gue.
Second
Thanks for
item.
coming.
Bukan maksud gue kan orangnya gaptek ya.
I've
Coba kita
I see
cari
who
aja.
she is. Okay.
Buka live-nya, bilang live invite-nya dibuka.
Bro, what's happening? But how did you find out about me? How did you guys find me though?
Lu kerasa 700.
Thank you. Bener loh, ada yang masuk ke situ nih kita urut.
Nikita, right? You know what just happened in my live?
I'm just glad to see
It's
you.
okay. It's okay. So basically, I don't get any viewers over.
Me too.
No. So all these people just came to my live just now.
Yeah.
Just crazy. It just went up like skyrocketed.
Like bomber.
Everybody just said Nikita, Nikita, Nikita. I'm like, Nikita who? And I'm like, okay, it must be you then.
Nikita who?
Yeah, Nikita
Mirzani.
Mirzani. That's right. Oh, how are you? How are you?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
I'm good. I mean, your fans are,
Crazy.
yeah, they're crazy.
Yeah, this is my second account, so if I go live, I always use.
I see. Well, it's very nice to meet you. Well, I guess they said that, I asked them, how did you find out about me? And they said, you introduced me to them?
No. I'm just saying that I want to have a live with random person, so I.
What's going on? Why you just left? Okay.
Are you still working?
And the last customers, they left. They finally left. So I just cleaned up everything and I'm okay now.
I'm not disturbing you.
No. It was actually perfect timing because, oh my. So it was good. Now it's fine. Yeah. Wow. What's going on? All right. Let me just sit down real quick. All right, chat. We still got, okay, our fam is still here. Gate, how are you, Meg? Wow, I've never seen so many people in my life. This is 2,2.2. It's crazy. Karen, hi guys. The chat's quite out of control. Is this how it is for you when you go live?
Yeah.
Can you see the chat? You can barely answer anybody, right?
No.
Wow. Well, thanks. Well, I guess thanks for introducing me a little bit, but thank you.
What are you doing in Korea?
So I run a cafe. I run a brunch cafe with my brother, and I was in LA, and then I just moved here when COVID hit.
How is it, Korea? Nice place?
Korea's okay. I mean, I was acting in LA, and then I had my first pilot season, and then within about 6 months, we had the COVID broke out, and then obviously, America was,
Yeah, I know.
like destroyed the film or TV industry for like 2-3 years, and then I was like, I have nowhere to go. I'm like, I might as well just go to Korea.
Why Korea? Why you
My mom's Korean.
your mom is Korean.
My mom is Korean. Yeah.
You live in the city or
I live in a not city.
where is it?
Not. It is Gapyeong. It's about like 45 minutes away from Seoul.
From Seoul?
About 45. Yeah.
Okay. 45 minutes. Okay, nice.
45 minutes.
How's the view? It's beautiful, like a mountain or everything there.
I'm sorry.
The view?
With what's that?
View.
Oh, the view
How's
is
the
all right.
view?
The view here.
Yeah. It's a mountain or what?
Mountains, yeah. We have mountains, and stuff like that. Yes, we have a lot of. It's just a lot of mountains. Yeah. No, it's not a city. It's not a city.
So you live with your mother and your brother together in the same house?
With my brother. With my brother, yeah. Where in Malaysia are you?
No, I'm in Jakarta, Indonesia.
Sorry. Indonesia. Sorry. Indonesia. Jakarta. All right.
Yeah.
My chat is going nuts. I can't read anything. Okay.
So finally we meet on social media, yeah? That's funny.
Yeah. I know. So what are you doing?
I don't have any job. I'm a homeless. I'm a jobless.
Huh? You're jobless?
Yeah, I'm jobless.
Aren't you a actor, a celebrity? Aren't you?
No, I'm jobless. I don't do anything. I just stay at home watching a movie.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the chat is telling me something different, but okay.
But okay.
If you want to keep it there, I respect. If you want to keep low key, you want this to be a low key thing, okay. No
I also
problem.
have a restaurant, but the restaurant I'm selling meatball and noodles.
Oh, okay.
Come to Jakarta, I will bring you to my restaurant. It's very nice.
I see. Very nice. She is. There's so many things that in the chat. Just this and that. Ah, okay. So you do business as well.
Ma, I ask you something a bit, what?
Ask me something.
Yeah. What are your age? How old are you?
I'm 31.
31. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'll be 32 in August.
I guess. Okay. Nice.
Yeah. I don't mind. I don't mind people asking me.
Are you single or you have a?
No, I'm single.
Nice. That's super nice.
I'm super nice. Yeah. Yeah.
That nice.
I'm always stuck.
Sounds good to hear your singles. Make my ears really good.
Okay. Wow. I see.
And
Yeah. I see. Okay, well, wow. This chat is a lot. Well, it was nice to go live with you.
what they texting you?
Huh?
What?
No, I have my fam here, right? So my team and my fam here. So it's just the chat is getting really, really crazy, and I can barely read anything. It's like, what's happening here?
You don't need to read anything. Just
No.
focus on me.
Oh, okay. Focus on you. I see. DJ Flo, thank you for the roses. All right. Well, it was really nice meeting you yesterday, I guess. Wow. They're all saying you're very powerful, you're a celebrity.
They're lying.
They're lying. They say you're a famous artist.
They are lying.
They're lying. Are they lying? Okay. Actress, yeah. I see. Wow. What time is it there in Jakarta?
No, it's what time? It's 1.
1?
Yeah.
That means, yeah, it's 3:08.
What time
3:08.
are you in Korea?
It's 3:08 in the afternoon. Ooh, yeah. Oh man, no, this is what happened, right? Usually I have about a little over 100 viewers, right? Average, about 100 viewers. So I'm like, all right guys, the last customer just left. I'm gonna go. I set the camera here, and then I get up to go and like clean the tables. We're like, all right, I'll be right back. We have about 110, 20. They come right back, and I look at my phone, and I'm like, all right, what's happening? I didn't notice anything, and then I look at the viewers, and it goes 600, and then it becomes 1,000. It's like, what's happening? And then I start seeing your name on the chat. Blah, blah, blah.
It is good or not?
It's good. Obviously, it's really good. I mean, yeah.
People here texting me like, you're so handsome, you're handsome.
I see. Thank you. Well, yeah. I mean, it's nice. You know, I've started TikTok because I was never active on social media. I didn't really do much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I started about a month ago, wanting to be active, and
So how is it?
it's going well. I'm trying. You know, it's going well. It's been 1 month. Tomorrow marks my first month, and it's nice. I have a lot of people, but I mean, going live with you just now is just insane surge from. It's yeah. I mean, I appreciate it.
Last night I couldn't sleep, so I I check on my social media. I just like this, and I find you.
Right.
Try to texting like, you're my type.
I see.
You see that?
Yeah. I remember it was right before I ended the live, yeah. And are you single? I'm just curious.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
72,000.
Do you want to be my boyfriend?
Huh?
Oh,
I don't know you yet.
why are you asking me?
I'm just asking.
No, okay.
Single. Okay. Let's.
Gacor tak lagi?
No, not. Nope. Hi, Erica. Hi. Ooh. What are you saying?
Are you tall or not?
I'm 184.
You tall?
Tall?
Yeah.
184.
184. Okay.
I mean, it's not too tall, but it's all right. It's not.
And for Asia, it's okay. You know.
It's I mean, it's tall. I mean, it's not short. I feel like well, I don't want to say anything, but yeah, I think it's good height.
Say it.
No, I don't want to.
Say it.
I don't want to say like, oh, this is what I consider short or not. But I mean, I'm not short, so I guess it's all right. Let's see.
Can I see you? Like stand up and then you just go
Go
a bit.
Go where?
No, I just stand up. Stand up. I want to see how tall you are.
Oh. Stand up.
Yeah. Okay. Nice.
Nice. Yeah. I'm 184. Unless you're living it. What is this? Who just threw that? Bruh. Who just threw that?
So you're mixed, right?
Yeah. My mom's Korean.
Korean and U.S.
My dad's American. Yeah. I'm happy.
So why you being a single in Korea? In Korea, a lot of beautiful, pretty women there.
I don't. Well, I tell you the truth. I've dated one Korean in my life. One Korean though. Yeah.
Only one?
Yeah.
Original Korean?
Yeah.
And?
I wasn't in Korea for a long time, but I don't know. I'm not really. I think Korean girls are beautiful, but it's not what I would go for. You know, it's not. It just wasn't. You know, they're beautiful, but not. I'm okay. You know.
Okay. Maybe
Yes.
you have to try Asian Indonesia. It's a bit spicy, but
It's spicy. Okay. Oh man, it's spicy. All right.
yeah, it's a bit spicy and a bit hot. But you will be like it a lot.
All right. Indonesian, sure. I've never been, but. Where's the?
Maybe you have to come to Indonesia first, to Jakarta. I will be your guide. I can bring you to another place, like nice place, beautiful place, romantic place.
Okay.
Or maybe you come to Bali and then we can go together.
All right.
Yeah?
Fine. Yeah. I mean, yeah. If I can. I've never been to Indonesia, but yeah.
Gedung badan yang dilihatinnya itunya aja.
4,000.
Mukanya sampai jadi itunya.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that. I mean, it's very nice of you to offer.
Yeah, maybe we can go date for the first time. Together, like you and me.
No.
No?
Huh?
No or yes?
Right now? You want me to say, answer it right now?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, we can go on it.
I like to talk straight, straight to the point. So I don't like
Very direct. You're very direct, I see. Okay.
Puasa, oi, emang gua ngapain, jir? Itu gue cuma ngobrol.
Alright. Okay. Very direct and straight. Alright. I'm quite
Do you want my number?
here on live?
No,
You
no,
want-
not on live. You can text me.
Alright. Well. Okay.
Don't give your number to anyone, only for me.
Okay.
If there is Asia asking you about your number, don't give it to them.
Okay. Alright. You're very straight to the point. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
You want to
Yeah.
give your number for me?
Straight to the point.
Yes or not?
Sure.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
사랑해요, 오빠.
아이고, 감사합니다.
사랑해요.
아이고, 사랑합니다.
Apa lagi? Sa랑해.
사랑합니다. 사랑해요.
I can talk Korean. Wait. 고마워.
고마워. 잘하네.
잘하네. 사랑타구.
사랑하고. 좋아.
You can speak Korean also?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, nice.
Okay, Nikita.
Okay, Opa. I have to go. I have to take a shower.
Yeah. So it was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Yeah. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you.
사랑해요, 오빠.